So as you can see, this is the waste bin which I draw using Blender. So basically Blender is a 3D drawing software similar to Autodesk, Fusion 360, etc. So as you can see, this is a design of a waste bin separated with four different compartments, and it is labeled as and color coded similarly. This is for the organic waste. Similarly, this is for plastic waste. This is for paper waste, paper, cardboard, magazines, and so on. And finally, this is for metal. So this is not a definite design or a this is a basic design to understand and to create share people what I'm intending. So the bin can be easily customized as per requirement and as per different scenarios. For example, in case of villages, usually they do not have much organic waste which they throw out as garbage. So an organic section can be removed. Also, in city villages, there will be different uh, people having different use case scenarios. As in some houses have plants, thus they use organic waste, or they have biogas plants, thus they use organic waste. So it can be customized as per the house owner, as per the to person to house. As in there can be a couple of different models, one with organic, one without organic, some without paper, etc. And they can also customize accordingly. So it will be a revolutionary kind of basement.